Hello, welcome to back to one of my learning videos. In this video, we're going to get started with C Sharp. So, go to learnmicrosoft.com and get started with write your first code using C Sharp. Get started with C Sharp part 1, and there will be the first chapter. Write your first C Sharp code. This will be an introduction of how this works. Okay, C Sharp is a programming language that allows you to build many type of applications, like business application to capture, analyze, process data, dynamic web application that can access from web browser, games, both 2D and 3D, financial, cloud-based application, mobile application, more and more. C Sharp will give you a lot of features to take on. Okay, and we're moving to the next one. Write your first code. Write your first line of code. Enter code into .NET Editor. .NET Editor is taking its time. Let it take its time. Okay. Once it's ready, all you see is this is your first line. Hello world. You can either copy paste it or you can just write console dot write line, or you can just write, but it's okay. Hello world. That's just I was thinking about putting something else, but it's okay. And you just click run and you will get your output as it's this. Okay, now hello world, we got our output. Now if you write the console, for example, this is the example they show you, you have to write the C in capital. Do not put it as a close, because that will not be detected and you will get this error. Now let me show you that. See. So remember, always you have to use the capital C for console. Write line, also known, and this will be the correct one. Do not do that. Write line. And you're not supposed to use single quote. Single quote, if you use single quote, you have to use only one letter. If you use many characters, you have to use double quote. Okay, if you do that, you will get that error. If you put double slash, that means it will be detected as a comment. The code will be nullified, or it will not take it. Okay, and if you write this console write, it will all write in a single. But if you write console write line, it will be on the next line. That's what they're saying here. You console write, you copy and you do this, and it will all be in a single line. But if you make console write line and you run it, the congratulations will be the first and the next one will, because it will write it on the next one. Okay, going to the next chapter. Learn how it works. What is a compilation? Please make sure to read this if you're a beginner, but if you know what compiler and what the programming code does, you can just ignore this part. What is a syntax? Syntax, this is a syntax. Syntax is something that you write before you write your codes. Okay, write line console. The part is called a statement in semicolon compiler. You're finished. Syntax is something console write line, and this says this line of code is finished, and that's what they're saying. Okay, what is the difference between console write and write line? Yes, my answer is correct. Of course my answer is correct. Yes. All right, now this is a challenge. They're telling you to do this, and all you have to do is, this is your first line. You have to like first line Second one. I can do another right line, but don't have to, because it will literally just go to the line. You can just add it and it will be the same result. Okay, now review the solution. Wait, they have done something like separate, but it's okay, we got the same result. Result what matters. Okay, what is the job role? Primarily compiler primarily executes your code. This may be also a perfect answer. Which of the following statement is true about C#? C# is a case insensitive. Console, right? It's a class. Use double quotes. Create a lot of them. C# is case sensitive. These two answers are wrong, by the way. They are literally confusing you. What is wrong with the line? Console line. What is wrong with me? It's missing a semicolon at the end. All answer is correct. What? Okay, I made a mistake here. You double quotation marks create a little string. Okay, I was wrong. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, and see you guys in the next video. Next one will be the part 2. Write your first code. We just finished our first module and we will move to the next module after this. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.